Presenting the 2007 BMW Z4 3.0i. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are variable speed intermittent wipers, steering wheel audio controls, intermittent wipers, convertible soft top, passenger airbag on-off switch, front side airbag, automatic headlights, 4-wheel disc brakes, and rear-wheel drive. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.